Hey team, so myself and Lockjack Roly, we're about to put on the Pioneer roof rack, and we've got to take off the awning, take off the old roof rack, and put on the new rack with the legs. That's the rack there. So it's a Pioneer 5100, I think. Is it 5100? Is it on there? Yeah, 52100. So 52100, and this is the Rhino Rack rail kit. It's a SX100. SX100. So we're going to install this now, and then yeah, see how we go.
Let's do it.
Crazy weight. Oof. That scratch.
Put it on your engine.
Gotta do it from the outside. Bro. Alright guys, just wanted to show you the final result that we did last night. Definitely more clearance than the last rack. Put on my awning on there again. Yeah, it's looking nice.